I was invited to come along to the conference today to hear some of the speakers talk about the latest trends in audiology and hearing loss, and it's been fascinating. So far we've heard new presentations confirming what people like me, GPs, have suspected for a long time, that uncorrected hearing loss is associated strongly with cognitive decline and physical decline as well. So here we've been presented with studies confirming that, long-term studies showing that over the course of years, if hearing loss, which is moderate to severe, is not corrected, people will increasingly suffer from depression, social isolation, dementia, and this is very significant. It's something that we've always suspected, and here we have the proof. And you've got people here coming from all walks of life, audiologists, people who are involved in engineering of hearing aids. We have people who specialise in paediatric loss of hearing. We've got clinicians, we've got all sorts of experts, all sharing their knowledge, imparting their experience to one another, and also having a good time, which is good to see. We're seeing many more people come through, older populations, more of people with comorbidities, including hearing loss, whose quality of life is affected. And I think we're beginning to lose very slowly the stigma of hearing loss, this idea that a hearing aid somehow marks you out as somebody frail and not part of society. Thankfully, at last, we're beginning to lose that image, and I think more people are in tune to the idea of putting a device in the ear to help them, whether it's a young musician, someone who's lost their hearing through occupational reasons, or just through old age or whatever. I think we're beginning to get people waking up to the fact that it is important to have hearing measured and assessed, and getting something done about it if there's significant or even moderate hearing loss. Well, it is good to visit the stands. The conference here gives people like me an opportunity to go and see how technology is evolving, and what impresses me tremendously is how fast it is evolving. The step forwards that we've made in terms of the size of devices, what the devices can do, and how they keep people in touch with the world around them. Absolutely phenomenal, very impressive. And I think the technology will just continue to improve, and we'll hear more about that in the forums that we're going to be going to later on.